Look at him. Scoot over to the middle so I can put my... Stop kidding.
I'm doing all I can.
I'm doing all I can.
Alright, where are we going, Bo?
What?
Where are we going?
Why do you guys always ask me?
You have the good weather.
Yeah, I do. Honestly, just go south of Columbus a little bit.
South?
Okay. Just a little bit.
Like where we went yesterday.
Pretty much.
Do we want to head southwest?
So that way?
We go
We
straight south.
probably should go.
We go straight south, we run into the roadway.
That's true.
And we'll be in the direct path of the storm, and we don't want that. We want to be southwest of the storm.
Around it.
So Trey just probably...
Can I turn right on the bypass?
Yeah, just take the bypass.
What?
Yeah, that's what I would say.
Oh, it's okay.
Well, you want to move this to the road.
Yeah, can you move it up a little?
Yeah, I can.
Ah,
So pretty.
fire.
Dude, it's picking up on things I can't even see with my own eyes.
Like what?
You see, like, on this, how it's got, like, the shading? Oh, yeah. That is funky. No wonder Storm takes this kind of videos look so good. Because we see the freaking GoPros.
Are you just stroking my tassel?
Yeah, I'm petting
That's
it.
what I always do.
Dude, it's just like you have to. You put it here, it's your fault.
Yeah, boy.
Oh,
They smell horrible.
yeah, no kidding. That smells like weeds. Like when you mow and go through a patch of weeds. Good boy. I don't know if I like that.
I like them. Give one to Bill.
No.
Oh, never mind.
It's not that bad.
Don't give one to Bill.
Do those clouds look green to you?
Yeah. Do they?
A little bit.
The storm pictures in Nebraska are cleaner.
Actually,
Yeah, like, on Facebook, but they're...
Yeah.
can I get in the left lane? Can anybody actually see if there's a car? Watch a cop pull me over in this weather.
I would knock him out, drag him to the water over there, and drown him for not being safe.
Wild. And then they're both. To the right? I feel like we could go that way.
You don't want to go that way.
Why not? What do you mean? Yeah.
I actually might go to Duncan.
Duncan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because by the time we get to Duncan, it'll be on the southwest part of it.
So turn left?
Yeah, I believe that's where Duncan is, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to take some road trip?
Probably. Oh yeah.
It's not that bad.
We did it yesterday.
The road is flooded.
Well, it's nice.
Right.
Good night. We'll be good on the right.
Am I good?
Yeah. Don't hydroplane, please.
I will try not to. I won't drive like 70 or whatever. I'll drive like 50 or 60.
You might hit a microburst, I'm not going to lie.
What do you mean?
You know what a microburst is?
What's that?
So
when the wind picks up to like 70 miles an hour.
So hold on to your steering wheel.
No, that means you park on the side of the road.
Try not to die.
Yeah.
Where's the storm at? Right there?
It's south, so it's like right there, pretty much, where that dark is. I'm gonna check echo drops.
Yeah, probably.
It's going to be.
So we're gonna be.
Right. That's where the echo top is. That's where you're. That's also where the velocity. Well, obviously that's where the velocity couplet is. It's a good thing we went south because the one north bus is a lot shorter in height.
You want me to get in the right lane so I can go towards nothing?
Yeah.
Well, now you have something to do today.
There is evidence for God.
What?
There's a sign back there that says, "There is evidence for God."
Oh. You want me to go through this light, I assume, right? Okay. And then I'll turn on Howard.
Boulevard.
Oh, good.
Howard Boulevard.
Oh, I can barely tell where the road
The storm is catching up to us pretty quick.
is. Okay.
It's gonna be on top of us in a minute and a half, practically.
I don't think it's going to be that bad, if I'm being completely honest.
It's still got pretty good rotation.
You're looking at the velocity.
Yeah.
No,
It's still
it's I think it saves battery.
Yeah, it does.
There's my hail.
Yeah, there's our hail.
Dear God, please help it not to damage my car. Well, I have to sell it.
Yeah, directly over us. We're probably gonna get more storms here actually soon. Yeah, because everything's kind of
So what do we do then?
gutting through us.
Where do I go?
You could honestly probably stay here. Go to probably. Jeez. Woo!
It might be nice to find a
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe just a little bit.
I'll go to the gas. Oh, frick.
You should get to the gas station.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Hey,
Oh,
don't
frick.
hydroplane. That's the next step.
We are on a slope here.
Dear God, protect my car until we get under the awning, please. I would like to not break anything, please.
Oh, hail
That was a-
freaks me out so
That
much.
was a massive chunk. Oh my God.
Back into
Hand me my towel. Just in case.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, I don't know if you're gonna be able to squeeze in there.
I'm gonna try.
No, the lights!
Should have went.